The previous video I made, a lot of us complained of not getting the confirmation mail from TGM Panel. Now, this is how TGM Panel works. Most times, when you try creating an account for yourself, you might not get the confirmation mail instantly or immediately. So what you're supposed to do is to wait for some couple of days to get your confirmation mail. Now, when you're getting this mail, this is what you're going to be receiving. Thank you for joining TGM Panel UK. Thank you for joining TGM Panel UK. In order to confirm your membership and email address, please click the following link. So what I explained in my previous video was that if you're actually making your browser your default browser, then you can go ahead to click this link. But if you're not making your default browser the main browser you're using, just copy this particular link. So you can hold this and copy this particular link, or find a way to copy this particular link. So right now I have my particular browser to be my default browser. So what I'm going to do is to come right here and click on this link, and it's going to direct me over to the browser I have made my default browser. Now that is the same thing you're supposed to be doing. Once you have your default browser to be the main browser you're using for your TGM Panel, just go ahead to click the link and automatically you'll be directed to your main browser to continue the confirmation of your email. Now you can see right here where it says welcome to TGM Panel UK, your email address has been verified. Now you can now come over to log into your account. So we are going to come right here and click on login button right here. Then we are going to insert our details right here. And please note that without your confirmation of your email, you can actually have access to your account. So you need to confirm your email. Just hold on for the couple of days that they will be sending you this confirmation mail to confirm your email. Now, once your email has been confirmed, the next thing you want to do is to log into your account. So right now, this account has been confirmed. So all you just need to do is to log into our account. So you're going to come right here and click that you are not a robot. So once that is done, come right here to click on log in. As you can see right now, we have successfully logged into our TGM Panel account. Now, the moment you log into your account, you're going to be having something like this. Now, what I would advise you do is to come right here and agree to all, because this can also be helpful to your account. Now, come right here and click on continue, and you can turn on notifications so you get all notification when you are running your TGM Panel account. Now, you are also going to be getting this. Just click on allow. Now, all these are actually making your account to get information where needed. Okay, this site can't ask for your permission. Just cancel this. So this is how your account is going to look like. Now, these are available service, and this is how TGM Panel works. Now, from this moment, I want you to pay close attention to everything I'll be explaining in this video. However, if you have watched this video to this point, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're watching. So right now, you can see, you can come right here to refresh your account. So you can see, you can refer a friend on TGM Panel and you earn points for yourself. You can come right here and you can copy your affiliate link and do that and get some points for yourself. Now, this is how it's working on TGM Panel. But before that, remember I said when you log into your account, it is necessary you need to update your profile. So come right to update profile. Now, this profile is what you're to update if there's a mistake while setting your account. Come right here to insert your zip code, then click on update. Now, once you do that, it's going to attract more service to you. I showed us the main way to get your zip code and the alternative way to get your zip code through ChatGPT. Now, once you've done that, you also come over to the hamburger icon right here. You're going to be seeing the home, the rewards, history, refer and earn, help, my profile, login history, and account settings. Now, when you come right here, you can see that my GPP is actually in 0. As you can see that in TGM Panel, what you earn is actually in points. Now, the points you earn are being converted to GBP, which you can actually withdraw. So what you're going to be doing right now is to come down to rewards, because that is the main focus. Most of us are actually taking surveys to get the rewards that are attached to this survey. So you're going to come right here. So you're going to be seeing your current balance, your current point balance, and the likes of it. So right here, you can see that 2 GBP, you can also withdraw. When you have that 3 GBP, you can actually go ahead to withdraw. Now that is for the reward section. Now when you come over to your account settings, you can see right here that you can go ahead to do your privacy settings and your password, email, and other things right here. Now, how do you take surveys on this platform? The moment you come over to the home, this is where you come to take your surveys. So under available survey, you can see view and sort. Now, this view actually allows you to view this particular interface in different form. You can actually leave it to be like this, or you can leave it to be like this. But I prefer leaving it to be like this. Now, under sort, you can come right here and sort from A to Z, or you can sort from Z to A. So I'm going to be sorting from A to Z. All right. So it's going to load up and it's going to give you an interface just like this. Now, this is how the survey works. Once you have this, you can see right here that you're going to be getting 0.14 points. Remember I said that TGM panel works in points. Now, these points are being converted to GBP, and it is when you have this in GBP that you can place your withdrawal on your account. Now, this is the first survey, and this is actually 0.14 points, and it will take less than 5 minutes. Now, when you come right to the second one, you can see that it is actually 0.16 points, and it will last less than 6 minutes. We have the third one, that is the 0.07 points, and it will last less than 10 minutes. Now, what I'm actually driving to is, depending on how you want to accumulate the rewards on TGM panel and how you want to get most value from it. Most people, when they come into surveys, what they target is the high points so they can accumulate faster and place withdrawal on their account. Now, if you're new to surveys, you can just come right here and start taking surveys randomly, and you keep on wasting your time. So what I would advise you do is to first of all take this particular first task as a new beginner. So as the time goes on, maybe you're getting disqualified, because it is normal for you to get disqualified on surveys. Now, when you go ahead to be disqualified on some of all these surveys, then you can then go for specific surveys. Okay, so you can come right to sort and you can see price, you can see newest items. Now, when you come over to newest items right here, you're going to be seeing that these are the particular new surveys that just dropped on this platform, and you can get to do them and get some points for yourself. Now, you can see that these points are actually bigger than others, so you can come right here and start with any of these, but I would recommend you start up with the A to Z so you can be conversant with how to take surveys on TGM panel. Now, you can see right here at the top, we have current balance and we have current points balance. That is the current point balance, which is total GPP that you should be getting from your points. Now, what you're going to be doing right now to take this surveys is to come right here and click on start survey. Now, the moment you click on start survey, they are going to be taking you over to the page where you can go ahead to start this survey. All right. So once you're on that page, the next thing you want to do is to take your time and attend to these surveys, as they already showed you that it's going to last for 5 minutes and everything you tend to get on this platform. Now, on my channel, I have made several videos on how to take surveys, but I'm still going to be explaining that in this video. Now, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be coming right here. Normally, we go for IT and information. So just come right here and pick this, then come right to click on continue. Now, they ask you to enter the first half of your postcode. So you can go ahead to enter the first half of your postcode and proceed in your account. Another thing I want you to learn is that if, for instance, while creating your account, you inserted a postal code you never wanted, then you can come right to this process and impute anyone. Now, I showed you the settings of this particular account. Then you can go there to change your postal code. So right now, I'm going to be inserting a postal code that is different from the one we started with. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to insert this particular one. Postal code is like district that you can also use to get attracted surveys to your account. So right here, I'm going to be using this particular one and I'm going to click on continue. Now, this next process actually is going to ask you for the age of your child. Now, in surveys, sometimes they actually want parents to take surveys. So if you go ahead to decline or say you don't have a child, you might be getting less surveys on your account. So most times I come for the boy age of 7. So you're going to pick in anyone that suits you according to your demographic, then come right here to click on continue. So right here it says, please choose which department product you have influence or decision making over regarding spending purchase. So purchasing. So you can come right here and select anyone right here. So this does not actually matter. So there are some particular topic or particular survey that matters a lot. So what you're going to be doing is to answer these questions, and at the end of it, most times you get disqualified on your first surveys. Remember I said that. So what we are going to be doing right now is to come right here to select our font size and continue. Okay, so your first survey, you can be disqualified because your account is still new. All right, so right here it says welcome to the survey. We are from Firefish Data, an independent research agency who would like to hear some more about you. The survey will take you about 15 minutes to complete, and we will appreciate your time. Now remember, when we started the survey it was showing 5 minutes. Now the 5 minutes is actually from the beginning of where you started that screener questions. Now the questions we took at this point is called the screener questions to this moment. Now this is the main survey that you're actually going to be rewarded with. So what you're going to be doing is to click on next. Now you need to take very conscious of what you're answering right here. So I'm going to select male. So right here you're going to be putting in your age. So I'm going to be putting 25. So right here it's asking for your region. You can come right to select the West Midlands or the East of England depending on your demographic. So if you want to go ahead to copy mine, it's fine. So which of the following income bands in the closest to your household? So this is something that you should also work with depending on your demographic. Which of the below financial products do you currently have? Okay, so I'm going to be selecting current account. You can select more than one depending on you. Now please think about banks you currently use. So they are actually taking their time to bring out these stuffs for you, so you can choose, and you are going to be getting better view of it. So I'm going to come right here and select anyone. I don't use any of this bank, but because of the cost of this survey, you just need to select one or two. So it shows that you're actually using these banks. Now you can see which is your main current account bank or building society. So I'm going to select Revolt and I'm going to click on next. All right. So right here it says thinking specifically about your current account. Can you tell us what kind of account it is? So I'm going to come right here and say a packed current account. All right, a packed current account. You mentioned that you have a rewards current account with Reward. Please tell us the name of your current account. So I'm going to come right here to put a name, or you can come right here and click on I do not know the name of the reward account, then click on next. So survey is actually simple for everyone who actually want to get started with it. Now what encourages you to open a reward current account? So you can come right and select anything. So this is the process of which you'll be following to complete your profile. So the next one right here says, are you willing to record a video or audio response for us? So this is actually going to be a better one if you're in a good and suitable environment. So come right and say no and click on next. Now the moment you do that, you're going to be getting something like this. We would love to learn more about your decision to open a reward account with your bank. What motivated you to choose this type of account, and how do you feel about the rewards and benefits it offers? Please share what you enjoy most about the account, as well as anything you don't find as helpful or appealing. So come right here. You can just come right here and just put in good and fine. Good and fine. All right. Good and fine. Then click on next. All right. So now you'll be brought to the next interface of this particular section. So right now you have come to the end of this survey. So you can see right here where it says thank you for your response to our survey. Unfortunately, we have already achieved enough responses for this specific target group. Please know your time and effort are greatly appreciated. To check your account or update your personal information so that future surveys fit your interest better, log in here. This is what I'm actually saying, that when you're taking surveys, it does not mean that you're not getting it right. It means that there are so many other things that are attached to it. Either that this survey has been assigned to a total number of people and you're coming late to take that, or one or two has been said about this survey and you are actually not meeting up with what they expected. As you can see the statement that says we have already achieved enough responses for this specific target group, meaning they have achieved enough responses for this survey. So it is not your fault that you're actually disqualified on this survey. So what you can actually do is to come right here and go ahead to take other surveys that fit to your account, or take random surveys that in turn will give you accumulated points on your account, and this will accumulate the GBP on your account, and you can quickly place the withdrawal on your account. So that is how TGM Panel works. The reason why I made this video was that a lot of us were complaining that they were unable to confirm their email after trying to set up an account on TGM Panel. So this is my experience and how you can get to answer your screener questions and also surveys on TGM Panel. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. You can find the links on the pinned comment section where you get to join this wonderful family. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.